Power struggles threaten Zimbabwe's stability. ZANU-PF's leadership faces intense conflict. Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF, has called an urgent Politburo meeting to address rising tensions within its ranks. This follows a heated national conference in Bulawayo, where Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and his military allies openly opposed President Emerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his rule until 2030. Mnangagwa, under immense pressure, announced plans to step down by 2028. Experts suggest that this internal power struggle could destabilize the party and impact Zimbabwe's governance. The Politburo meeting, organized by Secretary-General Ober Mpofu, aims to resolve these factional disputes and set a clear policy direction amidst the country's economic difficulties. Analysts predict that the outcome will significantly shape ZANU-PF's future leadership and stability, with Chiwenga's faction eyeing a return to military dominance. Stay tuned as the drama unfolds.